plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am so excited to show you the Stonjourner that I made. I at first thought this was a really weird Pokemon, but then once I was making it, I realized I really like it. So I hope you guys like it too. If not, that's okay. He's what, like walking Stonehenge? It's so weird. But yeah, so for the month of November, I am focusing on making rock-type Pokemon. For October, it was ghost-type. If you would like to see a certain rock-type Pokemon, please let me know down in the comments, because I am preparing what I will make this month. Upcoming, we have Sudowoodo, Aeron, Lunatone, and Sheldon, at least on the day that I am recording this voiceover. But yeah, I decided to start making Stonjourner with the legs, or the feet, if you can call them that. And I decided to make it 2D instead of 3D like in the image. Like on the image he has, like, you can see the side of the rocks, and it just seemed kind of difficult for me to do, so I made a little 2D Stonjourner, and he looks very sweet in the end. I'm so happy with it. I did have to trim this piece down a little bit, the face rock, I guess you could call it. And I love these gray papers that I'm working with. These are from a brand called Park Lane, and I had bought a whole pack of neutral paper for about $5, so I was pulling most of my papers from that for this video. I don't know why, but Stonjourner just kind of made me think of Scotland. I've never been to Scotland. I mean, I'm like 33% Scottish, so I don't know, maybe I'm just getting in touch with my ancestry. Or maybe it's this background paper that I picked for it. Maybe that had something to do with the vibe I got off it. Maybe I watched too much Outlander. I don't know. But Stonjourner reminded me of Scotland. Yeah, so Scotland. Stonjourner is from the Nintendo Switch game, Sword and Shield. I still have never played it. I do not own a Switch. I do watch other people play. I do buy the Pokemon cards, and like I see what's going on. But yeah, I don't play. I'm debating if I buy myself a Switch this year. I just don't know if I would play it enough to like justify the cost. I mostly play games on my computer, so... And by games, I mean Sims 4. I just play Sims 4. I don't know. We'll see. So just gluing these pieces down. I still have to make some like detail pieces for the top of his head and like some spots on his body, both brown and dark gray. So I am going to start cutting those and pasting those now. Even though I wasn't making him 3D, I still wanted him to have a little bit of detail. Oh, if you guys have requested any Pokemon and I'm not mentioning it in voiceovers, it's because sometimes I do like 7 videos in a day. So if you've asked me for something, don't worry, I remember. I promise I have it written down somewhere, and I will make sure to get to those Pokemon. This will probably go up like end of the first week of November. It's Halloween for me right now. I'm just having a good time. I'm wearing a shirt that has little like anime eyeballs all over it, and it's pretty spooky. I'm more of a Halloween person than a Christmas person, so November for me is like Halloween spillover. Poor Thanksgiving. What is everybody's favorite holiday? I don't think I really have one. I like the whole aesthetic of Halloween, but I'm not like crazy about it outside of that. Yeah, I don't think I really have much of a favorite holiday. I don't like fireworks though, so New Year's and 4th of July are not my favorite. So next I am doing the face, just with some little bits of white paper, and oh, it looks so cute when it's done. I absolutely love it. And then the final touch that I have to do after this is the little like cross hatches on his feet. They almost look like laces on a boot, but they're on his legs. I don't know. It almost looks like he is wearing little shoes, doesn't it? But it's just like mud and little cross hatches. This part was difficult because while the one is kind of broken and it doesn't have like an empty piece in the center, on his right leg there is a hole in the center of a solid piece, so I had to get an X-Acto knife out for that. Which I'm terrible with X-Acto knives. I don't know if I press too hard or I need to sharpen them, but it's a struggle for me. If you would like to see which Pokemon I have already made, I keep a Google spreadsheet with the Pokemon numbers highlighted, so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm focusing on and what's been made by clicking on that down below. For these little cross hatches, I used a puffy sticker instead of just regular adhesive. Because they're the same color as his legs, I wanted them to stand out a little bit more. And yeah, here you can see me just not doing great with the whole X-Acto knife thing. Precision scissors I'm pretty decent with, but X-Acto knives are still a bit of a struggle. I'm sure I will get better. Or maybe I'm just not using the right type of paper with X-Acto knives. Maybe it needs to be a thinner paper to work with. And this is a very thick cardstock. I don't know. But yeah, that wraps up my very cute little Stonjourner here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I super appreciate it, and I will see you again soon.